Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to resize objects in photos using Canva AI Magic Layers? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make objects larger or smaller inside a photo using Canva Magic Layers on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Next, tap Magic Layers. Now select the photo you want to edit. Canva will begin processing your photo. This may take a few moments depending on your device and internet connection. Once the photo is ready, tap the object you want to resize. Drag the resize handles to make the object larger or smaller. Adjust the size until you are happy with the result. Repeat these steps for any other objects you want to resize. Once everything looks the way you want, tap the upload icon. From here you can choose to share or download. For this example, tap download. Canva will process the image for a few moments. Once the export is complete, the image will be saved to your gallery. And that's how to resize objects in photos with Canva AI Magic Layers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.